Okay, let's talk about it. For the last few years, there's one piece of tech that has just taken over the conversation, right? ChatGPT. You've definitely seen the headlines, but what is it really? Let's break it all down.
So what is this thing? I mean, really, it feels like it can do almost anything you ask it to, which it makes you wonder what to even call it.
Is it like a teacher? I mean, some people are looking at it as this revolutionary new kind of teacher, one that can explain, quantum physics or ancient history right on the spot, whenever you need it.
Or maybe it's more like an assistant. For a lot of people, it's the ultimate personal assistant. It can draft your emails, help plan out huge projects, and the best part? It never, ever needs a coffee break.
Or could it be something even more personal? Maybe like a friend? A creative partner that you can just bounce ideas off of, at any hour of the day or night?
So which one is it? Well, the truth is, it's kind of all of those things and none of them at the same time. It's complicated. So let's pull back the curtain and figure out what's really going on here.
Okay, so at its very core, ChatGPT is an AI chatbot. It was created by a company called OpenAI. Now, the easiest way to think about it is this. Imagine a computer program that has basically read a giant library. And I mean a giant one, like most of the internet. It's gone through books, articles, websites, all of it. And from all that information, it's learned how to spot patterns and create sentences that sound incredibly human.
And the range on this thing is just incredible. You can ask it a simple, factual question, why is the Earth round? Or you could ask for something super creative like, hey, write a poem about the sea for me. You can even get practical and ask it for advice on your business plan. It's really built to be this super versatile conversational tool.
So, okay, that's what it is. But the big question, the one that really matters is, how is it actually useful, like in the real world? Let's dive into some of the ways people are using it every day.
Okay, for students, this can be an absolute game changer. Just imagine this. It's midnight, you're stuck on some crazy hard physics concept. You can literally ask ChatGPT to explain it to you in 5 different ways until finally it just clicks. Or, get this, you can give it a whole textbook chapter and just ask for a summary with the key bullet points. It makes studying so much more efficient.
And it's not just for studying. It's a really powerful tool for anyone in a creative field. If you're a writer, for example, it's like having a brainstorming buddy who's on call 24/7. You can ask it for blog post ideas, to get you past writer's block, you can get help with an outline, you can even ask it to help you find a better way to phrase that one sentence you've been staring at for the last hour.
And in the business world, oh yeah, the uses are just exploding. People are using it to draft professional-sounding emails in seconds, generate really creative ad copy, and even power those customer service chats that can answer your basic questions instantly.
Then there are the software developers. For them, it's like having this incredibly powerful sidekick. It can write bits of code for you, help you hunt down annoying bugs, or just explain what a really complicated piece of code does in simple English. It can speed up the whole process, like a lot.
And this all brings us to a really, really important point. It's best to think of ChatGPT as a tool, a super powerful one, for sure, but still a tool. Its whole purpose is to help you out, to boost your productivity, not to take your place. It's not supposed to replace your own critical thinking or your creativity or what makes you an expert.
But before you dive in headfirst, it's super important to understand that this thing isn't magic. There's some really big limitations you've got to keep in mind. Okay, if you remember one thing, remember this. ChatGPT can be confidently wrong. What I mean is, because it's designed to sound so sure of itself, it can spit out information that sounds totally correct, but is actually completely false. It's not a source of absolute truth, so you have to be skeptical. Always double-check, especially if it's something important.
And there's a really simple reason for this. The AI's intelligence is, well, it's artificial. It's just really, really good at recognizing and repeating patterns it found in all the data it read. Your intelligence, on the other hand, is human. It comes with real understanding, with context, with critical thinking. The two are just not the same thing, and that's why your brain, your judgment, always has to be the final step.
All right, so now you've got the balanced picture, right? You see the incredible power, but you also understand the things to watch out for. So, if you're ready to give it a shot yourself, the good news is, getting started is surprisingly simple.
You just do it right from your web browser. It's super straightforward.
First, head over to the website chat.openai.com. Once you're there, you'll just sign up for a free account. And that's literally it. You're in. You can start typing questions into the little chat box right away and see what happens. And as you start playing around with it, just remember this. Yeah, the AI is a powerful machine, but the real magic? That comes from the questions you ask. Your own curiosity is the engine that's going to unlock what this thing can really do.
So there you have it. We've looked at what ChatGPT is, all the cool ways you can use it, and the important stuff to keep in mind. Which means there's really only one question left. What are you going to ask it first?